Today we are doing wind-up toy races. So I gave some blocks to Grant and said create any type of a track that you want, and he made this awesome racetrack. So then we're going to take our wind-up toys and we're going to roll the dice. Whatever number we roll on the dice, we get to spin and wind up the dino that many times. And then we're going to race to see who can get to the end the fastest.
And this is the flag.
That is an awesome flag.
Racetrack.
You made an awesome racetrack, huh?
Yeah.
Good job. Hey, do you want to go first for us?
Yeah. Okay, let's spin it.
Alright, so this is the start and finish line. Oh, Grant starts out with a 1. So he gets one big old spin. Here we go. Oh, he turned the corner. Okay.
I got a 2.
I got a 6.
No!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This could be a good one. Woo. If I can spin him. Oh, shoot. I moved him a little too far. He keeps falling. Look at him go! Blow him farther ahead. All right. 2.
Wait, I get it. Okay.
1, 2. All right, let's see him race. Hey, he took a big lead. Good job. He's doing pretty well for just 2 moves. All right, see if I can regain the lead. 5. I got 5. You trying to blow him back? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
3.
Oh, mine keeps falling over, huh? Some wind-up toys are made better than others, and apparently this guy likes to fall.
It's even 95.
Look, he's not even moving. He's just hopping back and forth.
Okay.
All right. Well, you came up with a little bit of a lead.
Yes, I got 1, 2, 3.
Here, I'll move mine out of the way for you. Think you're gonna take the lead?
3.
So you should have been right here. Whoa! Oh, he's turning. He's turning.
I did not move. Back up. He's doing it. He's doing it.
Look at that! That was amazing! Amazing!
Yeah!
Woo! Nice job!
I keep getting 1, 2, 3.
You did get lots of 3s, huh? Hey, I just got a 3. 1, 2, 3.
Before you don't do this, fall off the track. Wherever you fall, that's where you stay.
Yep. Turn, turn, turn. Oh, I didn't take the lead. Grant is still ahead. 2. 1. 2. Those are big lines. Good job. Will he win? Uh-oh, he's getting close to the finish line. He's getting close. He's getting close. Oh, just short. I may have a chance. Maybe I can get a 6.
No.
Yeah, 6, 6. 2.
You gonna lose.
1, 2. Let's see if he can get a really strong 2.
No.
He's just moving in place again. Turn this way. Turn this way.
Sorry.
All right, Grant could be the winner on this one, I think.
I am.
Especially with a 4. I think he's gonna win. Okay, here he goes. Whoa!
I did 360.
Whoa! Winning victory lap. High five. High five with the dinosaur. Whoop! Dinosaur high five. And then he eats me. Ah, no! So that is our wind-up toy race. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give us a big thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Did you knock the flag over just a little bit?
I tried it.
That's pretty funny.
I tried to do it.